Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around here, just kind of going over the Demon. Very few miles, so everything's in pretty excellent condition. We posted underside photos and a lot of detailed photos, kind of going over the paint and interior and engine bay. Everything's nice and tidy. Plastic's still on the floor mats. All the stickers are still in the correct places. Got the cargo net in the back there. Plastic is still on the infotainment area. Everything's nice and tidy. Stickers are still located on the rims. Go ahead and take a look underneath the hood here. Everything's nice and tidy. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. And if you'd like a shipping quote, we can also help you out if you use a contact seller button. And if you are interested in 911R representing a car for you, you can use a contact seller button we can further discuss. Good luck with the rest of the auction.